Some autocross event with street racing made safe. Setting up, running some clean. Swap the wheels. Put the rodeo fronts back on with the Michelins. So we've got a few other cars coming. We got an M3, we got the Supra, and I have a couple of Miatas with us. So it is currently 7:30. So I'll show you guys some more in a few. Miata, Supra, Passat, and Mike's Miata. Weather's good. Weather right now is about 55 degrees. We just got our numbers and we are just waiting for a driver meetup, and we should begin very soon. Spray it on and all the carbon control. Guys, I got the car all ready. We are the first ones up. We are waiting for due to time check, make sure that the clocks are working proper. I do got Mike passenger seat.
Yo.
So now we're just waiting. They're doing 4 groups, class 1, 2, and 3, 4, and I am in number 1, the 4-door Passat NA class. So here we go. I thought it was Roman, it's a fucking drone. That's it, right?
Yeah.
It's a little different. Alright, we got the first pass in. It's 65 seconds here at the Homestead. Alright, just trapped a 60-second trap time on the track, and we're getting Mike ready to get out there as well. 55 seconds. Hopefully we get it. Go.
Alright. So this is your first run in Group 5, correct?
You got it.
Alright. Go when you're ready.
Not bad. We got a
55.6.
Hit one cone, but we got it.
What was it?
55.6.
No way! Damn!
First run.
Second run. 5th group.
Here we go.
Sluggish on that one.
Not too bad, but we survived.
Oh shit.
Guys, so just got out of the car with Mike, and now they're bringing in Group 1, so I'm running to my car. So I'm gonna hop back in there and get some more laps, try to break that 60-second mark. So let's see what we get. Alright guys, so I did, my best was a 57.3, and did 6 passes. I actually had some footage of, it was all 3 of us in the car, and Omar was in the back seat, was sliding all over the place, but it was a good run. That pass got a 57.7, so not too bad for a front wheel drive, big old boat. But anyways, he's about to take out the Supra right now. His turn is up, so let's see what he can break. He's trying to break 55.0. Let's see what happens, see if we can get it or not. What are we gonna get? We're gonna get 60? 59?
Less. We're gonna try to run a 75.
Yeah, let's get it. Guys, check out this Super 7. This is making 370 horsepower on a Miata 1.8, 5-speed with the eBay turbo, and the thing is kicking ass on the track. It's a sick car. Favorite cars. One day I get there. Not just yet, but one day. Soon. This is probably my favorite car here. Check this out. Literally eat off this thing. Alright guys, we're gonna be heading out soon. We've been up since 5 in the morning. It's currently 4 o'clock and we had a good time today. Passat did pretty good, Supra did good, the Miata did pretty good, and thank you for Street Racing Mk5 for having us out here. We'll be back out the next event. Hopefully I can have the GTI out here, but I think we are beat. Mike is KO'd on the chair. Completely passed out. Look at this guy. He is gone. So, anyways, like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.